A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine. Children, in the last class, I told you about accessing information on the internet, search engine, and email. I hope you watched the video carefully. In today's class, I'm going to tell you about chat, video conferencing, blogs, Webfeed, and social networking sites. So let's start today's class. Open page number 119. There are several websites such as www.gmail.com and www.yahoo.com that offer free email accounts. Means there are a number of sites available which provides free email account services, just like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, Reddit, etc. You can easily create an email account by filling a registration form wherein you have to choose your email address and password. How you create an email account? Let's see. You can create an email account by filling a registration form just like that. See on the screen. First of all, open Google or any web browser and type the service provider name, service provider website, just like www.gmail.com if you want to create your email account in Gmail. After that, this page will be open. When this page will be open, click create an account options. When you click on create an account options, then this page will be open. In this page, you can fill initial, just like your first name, last name, and choose your username and password. Right? Username and password of your choice. After that, click on the next button. When you click on the next button, this screen will be open. Here you can insert phone numbers, recovery email address, date of birth, gender, and after filling this form, click on next options. Then this screen will be open. Click on the agree option. Then a new screen will be open. Click enter your password here and click next button. Then after when your email is created, this screen will be open. Right? Let's see different components of this screen. The first component is inbox. The inbox displays the details of the mails sent to you. Means inbox is a place where all mails which sent to you are stored. Right? All the receiving mails are stored in the folder named inbox. You can click on a mail to view its contents. If you want to view content of any mail, then simply click on that mail which you want to view the content. Right? The next is compose. You can send a mail after composing it. An email message contains the following general components. When you want to send mail to anyone, then first compose the mail, compose the message which you want to send. Right? If you want to write, if you want to send any email to any other person, then first of all, you should compose the mail. How you compose the mail? Simply click on the compose mail, and after clicking on the compose button, this screen will be open. This one. There are different parts of the compose mail. The first part is to. This one. To. In this field, you write the receiver email address. In the to box, you type the email address of the receiver. Right? The people whose email address you add in the to field are the primary mail recipient. Means the person whose email address you type here are the primary, are the first receiver of the email. Next field is CC. CC is the short form of the carbon copy, right? The full form of CC is carbon copy. This will allow you to direct a copy of your mail to the secondary receiver, right? If you want to send a mail to other person, except if you want to send mail to other person along with the first receiver, then you should write the second receiver email address in the field of CC, right? I want to say, if you send a copy of email address, if you want to send a copy of this mail to any other person along with the first receiver, which address whose email address are mentioned in the to field, then you should write the second receiver name in the CC field. In this case, every receiver will be able to see all the other receivers who have received the mail. Means if you write this any other receiver email address in the CC field, then both the first receiver will able to see the second receiver name, or second receiver is also able to see the first receiver mail, right? The third is BCC. The full form of BCC is blind carbon copy. This field is meant for the secret receiver. If you want to send a mail to other person and you want to rest receiver cannot see the receiver, then you should mention that receiver name, that receiver email address in the BCC field, right? Right? Means the email address mentioned in the BCC field are not visible to other receiver of the email, right? The email address which you mention in the BCC field are not visible to other receiver of the mail, right? That's why its name is blind carbon copy. Understood? I hope you understand. Next is subject. It is a short title that gives the objective of the mail. In this field, you can write the topic of your mail, right? Next is attachment. You can send picture, documents, or any other files with your mail. These are known as attachment. If you want to send any picture, any files, any documents along with your mail, then you should click on the attachment options. This is the attachment, right? Right? Means if you want to send any pictures, any files, any videos along with this mail, then you should attach that videos, pictures, documents through attachment option, right? Next is replying a mail. If you want to reply any mail, then simply click on the reply button. This one, reply button, right? You can reply the mails by clicking on the reply button. The reply can also include the original message also. When you reply to any mail, then original message will also include in the reply. Forwarding a mail. You can share an email that you receive with your friends, co-worker, or other by sending a copy to them by clicking on the forward button, this one. If you want to share any mail, any message to your co-worker, to your friend, then click on the forward button of that mail which you want to share. Next is sent option. This folder contains the emails sent by you to others. all the mails which you send to the others people are stored in the sent option, sent folder, right? Now, spam folder. Spam folder and unsocial and unwanted email sent to numerous people is known as spam mail. What is a spam mail? Spam mail is a mail which are sent by an unwanted people. You can make use of the report spam feature to block emails from the sender. A spam folder contains all the spam mails that usually get removed after a specified period of time. Means spam folder is a folder where all the unwanted messages are stored, and after some times the message will be deleted automatically after some time, right? I repeat once again, spam mail. What is a spam mail? An unwanted mail is known as spam mail, and all the spam mails are stored in a spam folder. From there, these mails are deleted time to time, right? I hope you understand. Next topic is chat. What is a chat? Real-time textual communication between two users through computers is called chat, right? Real-time textual communication between two users through computers is called chat. What is the real time? Real time means the actual time when an event occurs. The actual time when an event occurs. जब कोई events occur होता है तो जिस टाइम पे वो occur होता है उसको हम लोग real time बोलते हैं, right? So chat is a when you can define chat when two people talking to each other by sharing the text is known as chat, right? When two people talking with each other by sharing text to each other is known as chat. I hope you understand, and I also hope that you are aware about the chat. Chatting has become a popular way for people to communicate with others. Nowadays, chatting is a more popular. Chatting is a very popular. It is used to send instant message. There are different types of platforms available for chatting, just like Google Hangout, Yahoo Messenger, WhatsApp, Skype, Apple FaceTime, etc. Right? I repeat once again, chat is a kind of communication over the internet through transferring of text message. There are different types of platforms available to chat with each other, just like Yahoo Messenger, Google Hangout, WhatsApp, Skype, Apple FaceTime, etc. Right? And with the help of the we can share text message, documents, image, audio, video, files with the help of these platforms. Next is acronyms. What is acronyms? Acronyms and abbreviation form the initial letters of words and pronounced as a word. Right? Acronyms is a short form which is created from the initial letter of words and pronounced as a word. Right? Acronyms is a combination of initial letters of any longer name or phrase, and it is pronounced as a word. It is used to express themselves while chatting with each other, right? There are some common acronyms are AYW. AYW means as you wish. LOL means laughing out loud. OMG, oh my god. These are the acronyms which are used by which are used by the user at the time of chatting, right? Next is emoticons. Emoticons is a symbol that are used to express emotion in text message, right? Symbols that are used to express emotion in text message is known as emoticons, right? For example, the surprise expressed by this symbol and disappoint used by the this symbol. So these are the emoticons, right? Next topic is video conferencing. Video conferencing, it is a visual communication between two or more people regardless their location via audio and video transmission, right? Video conferencing is a visual communication between two or more people regardless their location via audio and video transmission, right? I want to say that video conferencing is a medium of communication between two or more people who are not present at the same place through audio and video, right? Video conferencing allow people at two or more locations to communicate and interact with each other. It makes use of computer networks to send audio and video data from one place to another. Video conferencing uses computer network to send audio and video from one place to other place. It is a very useful for business meeting, educational training, and healthcare conferences, right? During this pandemic, video conferencing become effective tools of communication for the organization, right? Uses of video conferencing. The uses of video conferencing has increased over the past time because of the following reasons. Organizations use video conferencing to conduct meetings between branches that are situated very far away, right? Different types of organizations use video conferencing with their branches which are situated at a very long distance, right? This saves travel time and other expenses, right? Video conferencing saves travel time and other expenses. Also, meeting can be organized at a short notice as it does not involve booking boardrooms or conference halls, right? So this is the first uses of video conferencing. With the help of the video conferencing, organization arrange meetings between the branches, right? Next, doctors and scientists can use video conferencing to discuss medical problems and share their experiences. With the help of the video conferencing, doctors, scientists, or any other can share their problems and also share their experience with each other. Long distance education or training programs make use of video conferencing to enable students to attend classrooms, lectures, and interact with the instruction. Now, the best example of video conferencing is the online education, which you are using these days. It is also example of video conferencing, right? In this situation, we are using video conferencing to teach the student and teach the student attend the class via video conferencing. Next topic is blogs. Blogs is a website or part of a website that contains personal diary type entries in the reverse chronological orders. Right? Blogs is a website, a part of a website that contains personal diary type entries in the reverse chronological orders. Just like your personal diary, blog is also a diary, but it is online. It is part of a website. The full form of blog is weblogs. Blog is the shortened form of the weblog. Right? The blog is an online diary where someone keep their views about different topics. Right? Just like your diary. Blogs is also is a diary, but it is a part of a website, or you can write blogs on the internet. The content of a blog may be in the form of text, audio, video, and links to other websites. Right? A blog contains text, audio, video, and links to the other website. Some blogs focus on a particular topic such as sports and mobile technology, while some are like personal diaries or journal, which are used for expressing personal experience and opinions. Blogs have different types. Some blogs are based on the sports, technology, politics, and some blogs are based on the personal, right? To share their experience with each other, right? I hope you understand. I repeat once again. Blogs is a short form of weblog. It is an online diary where person keep their keep their views on any topics, right? The activity of updating a blog is referred to as a blogging, right? The activity of updating a blog is referred to a blogging. When a person update their blog, it means that it is a blogging, right? Someone who maintains a blog is known as a blogger. What is a blogger? Blogger is a person who maintain the blog. The content on a blog is written by the author of the blog. Written on a blog is known as posting entries. Writing on a blog is also known as posting entries. Right? I repeat once again. Blog is a online personal diary, and the activity of updating a blog is known as blogging, and the person who maintains the blog is known as blogger. Blogs have different types, just like sports, technology, politics, and education also. Some blogs are personal, where the person can share their experience with each other, and so on. Now, next is, for example of blog is www.blogger.com, www.blog.coin, etc. Next topic is Webfeed. Many people are interested in websites whose content keeps getting updates. Example of such website are news site, product information page, medical website, or weblogs. So we can see that a web feed is a facility that provides information to the users about the updates or new content of the website of their choice. Right? Web feed is a facility provide information to the users about the updates or new content on the website of their choice. Right? Website, at the time of election, many websites display the result which are updated time to time. These facility through the information which the information through which through information or update is known as web feed, right? Web feed is a facility that provide updated information to the user time to time. The best example of web feed is a news website. When you open any news website, then the on that time news is display, and when you open same website after some time, then news is a different, updated news are display. So this is the web feed, right? An application that collect input and display them in one place is known as feed reader or aggregator. Web feed web feed update web feed updated web feed collect information through different sources and display in front of the user through aggregator, right? So an application that collect input and display them in one place is known as feed reader or aggregator. Web feeds are using feed reader to update their information. There are two main web feed format are RSS, that is rich site summary, or really simple syndication, and atom. We will discuss this format in the higher classes. Okay. Next is social networking site. It is an online platform which people use to build social networks or social relationships with people, right? A social networking site is used to build online communities of people who share common interest, right? Social networking site is a platform where people build relationship between other people who share common interests, right? People use this site almost every day for chatting, playing games, and connecting with friends and family members. I hope you are more aware about the social networking sites. Uh, for example, Twitter, Facebook, Orkut, LinkedIn. These are the example of social networking site. You are used to about these sites. It is a great tool to find old friends and stay in touch with them. With the help of the social networking site, uh, you can keep touch in the keep touch in your with your friends. A growing number of celebrities such as movies, actors, and sports person have taken up blogging and tweeting. They are using the social networking site to connect with their fans, right? Uh, uh, this famous person of different field uh, connect with their fans with the help of the social networking site, right? I hope you understand. This is enough for today's class.